Ask po yung number of objects yung tinutukoy sa story. Yung number of eggs yung sagot doon. Tapos yung equation, sasabihin mo lang, equation, tapos addition. Tapos, yung isa, yung 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 answer, 16 plus 25 equals, and tapos ipapagsamahin mo na po, i-add mo na po 16 plus 25. Yung answer po yung 41. The end.
Okay, very good.